Autumn and winter in the UK often brings a lot of wet and cold weather. Wooden steps and decking in the garden can get covered in mildew, algae, mould or ice, making them slippery, treacherous for even the most sure-footed people. You can inexpensively make wooden garden steps much safer to use all year round. Make sure your steps are clean. Use a stiff brush or jet washer to lift any dirt, moss or mould. When the steps are dry, mix play sand from your local toy shop with external wood paint. Aim for 4 parts paint to 1 part sand. Use masking tape to mask out strips on the steps. If you're not confident in masking and painting, calling in a trusted, local professional from Checkatrade could be useful. Paint the gritty sand onto the steps. When it's dried, paint a layer of non-gritty sand to coat. Simply peel away the masking tape to reveal your anti-slip strips. Your steps are now safe to use all year round. This weatherproofing tip was brought to you by Checkatrade.
Checkatrade! Checkatrade.com